guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make this fantasy balloon column. I hope you guys enjoy the process, this video, and for more videos like this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me your comments and let's get started on showing you how to build this piece. Let's go. Hi guys. Okay, so as I promised, I will show you how to make this. The theme is going to be Twinkle Twinkle Little Star Fantasy Column. So for that, you will need a stand. So in this case, for all of you guys who don't know, what I have right here is a regular lamp, okay? And it's about maybe 6 feet tall, and it has a base, just so you guys can see here, and a cable. These are so inexpensive and it's such a good way to make a column, okay, if you don't have a stand. Now, I wouldn't recommend using this for, say, an outdoor party because they are not that, not that they're not sturdy, they're just wobbly. You know what I mean? It's just for mainly indoors. But it's such a good, it's such a good stand to try to do these type of bouquets. So, actually, these I got, I will say, at any one of those home stores. You can visit Walmart, you can visit Home Goods. These are so inexpensive. These are the type of lamps that you put together at home, where they just kind of like unscrew, just like I'm doing right now, so you can see, and the cable is inside. So what I did in this case is it comes with like a top right here to put your lighting, but I took that off. And you can make it as tall as you want. If you want it this tall, you can. I'm actually going to use the whole entire length of it, which will be about 6 feet. 6 feet tall. And you can get it in many different colors. So what I'm going to do is right now, I have this cable right here sticking out, which I don't want. So I'm going to be using my clippers. These are just regular strong clippers. Be very careful. And what I do is, hopefully I can show you guys what I'm doing here at the bottom. I'm going to be just clipping this cable out so it's out of my way. That's it. You see? So now it's out of the way. And it's gonna become my stand, just like that. It's actually pretty heavy, but I wouldn't recommend this for outdoors because it's not heavy enough so that if there's strong wind, you know, it definitely will tilt over, okay? So, I have my base and I have my stick right here. So, it becomes my stand. So today what I'm going to do is do a fantasy column, and I'm going to build it. Hopefully you guys are far enough so you can see what I'm doing, but I already inflated some of my balloons, and because I'm making this fantasy column, so what do I mean by that? It's just not going to be your spiral column going up. It's going to be like more organic looking. So what I want this column to look like is as organic as possible, because it's going to represent kind of like in the clouds and stuff like that. So I inflated my balloons to many different sizes. All of these balloons are 12-inch balloons, just blown up to different sizes, okay? And I have some white and pearlized white, and I cluster it together to give that like orb type look. And what I'm going to be doing is using all these balloons that you see right over here behind me, and I'm going to be weaving them on my piece to give that cloud feel to it. Now these type of columns are great for like baby showers, throughout, you know, to decorate your party. I will even put it next to like a candy table. They're so cute. So just bear with me. Let me show you how I build it. Okay, so I'm gonna start at the bottom of my column, and I have a cluster of 6 balloons all together. These are each 12-inch balloons blown to different sizes, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the middle and weave it at the base, okay? So you basically, this is what I'm trying to do. So you separate your middle, go all the way in, and crisscross to secure it in place, just like that. Doesn't matter if one is up here and another one is down here and all different. No, it doesn't matter. I want it to look as organic as possible. Remember, it's gonna be like a cloud-ish. So I'm starting with my base. Another thing I wanted to point out, you guys, is my main color is the baby blue. I am going to have some whites in it, but my base color will be the blue. So now I have here a bigger cluster that I started with 6, and then I added 3 white ones. And it doesn't have to be, find your middle again. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, because it's supposed to give that feel that of a little bit messy. And you're gonna continue to build from it, okay? So I'm bringing it down to make sure that there's not that many holes that you can see. I want it to be as compact as possible. And I hope you guys can hear me. And I always like to rotate to see my piece and choose which one's gonna be my front versus my back. So now I need a blue. So once you get to the top, okay, what you're going to be doing is grabbing just one of your balloons, try to match the color as your piece so it's not as noticeable, and you're gonna bring it all the way like this, and you're gonna cover the top of your stand. Just like that. And the reason for doing that is because once I put my last cluster on the top, number one, I don't want anything over here to graze the balloons and pop them. And also, I don't want my balloons cluster to like slip out of it. So you kind of like give it that rubby surface, so that it doesn't go all the way up, okay? So I have another small cluster, and I'm gonna put it on the top. And there's gonna be parts where you get to see holes over there. Don't worry about it, you're gonna be building onto it. So if you see a hole or two, it's not the end of the world because you will be covering them up. All right? Just like that. It's looking so good, you guys, so far. Okay, so I want to show you what I have so far. I hope you can see it from there. this is what I have. So the next thing is I'm going to be using stretchy balloons, because right now, although it's a column, it's looking like a column, even though it's like organic, it's looking just straight. I wanted to add more volume to it, so as you can see, I inflated some loose balloons so that I can like cluster them on the side and not make it so one line. Okay, so I have a few of those, which I'm going to be attaching with my 260 balloon. So what I can do is I'm going to make what I call a bracelet. You pretty much tie your stretchy balloon like that, and you make it a bracelet. Okay. Oh, come on, come on. Just like that, a bracelet, okay? And I'm going to use this to attach my little clusters in. So say I have one small cluster in here, I'm going to pretty much bring my bracelet inside and attach this to one of my balloons over here. And that's what I will be doing, building this column to look more organic and fuller, okay? Okay, so now that I have my piece pretty much completed, just like that, I will be placing some stars. And these little stars, they normally come like in a big pack of a bunch of them. I just inflated them with air, and it pretty much comes with this tab right here that I don't want sticking out. So I'm gonna grab, why am I crooked? There you go. So I'm going to grab my glue dots, and I'm going to place a glue dot over here, or you can, tape it just so that it's clean. Just like that, okay? And that way you have a nice star. And I'm just going to put some glue dots and spread them all over my piece. Now you can also do that connection point like I showed you last time. I just want to focus on design today, so I wanted to show you design wise just something different, I think. So this one I'm going to be placing right over here. How cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Now, the other thing that I was thinking is I could put a moon on the top. I could do that as well, or just leave it the way it is. And maybe put like a teddy bear or something. I do have this cute teddy bear right here. And how cute would it be to just place it like right there? Oh my gosh. You guys, that is adorable. Obviously, I wouldn't just sit the teddy bear just like it is. I will secure it with some fish line. I will probably just tie it right over here with fish line. But I mean, come on, you guys. Even if it's just like right there. How cute is that? That is really cute. And you can add more to it. I just want to leave it the way it is because I think it's it's really cute the way it is. Where's my... Here it is. Another glue dot over here. You guys, that is so cute. And this will just like open up a whole room and give it that decoration factor. Look at that. I mean, you can put like a big moon over there and, you know, do as much as you want. For this, I don't necessarily want the moon. I actually think that the actual column looks like a half moon in a way. But how adorable that is, you guys. All right, let me do a close-up and I'll show you the final product.